Yes, people, this is your girl Aleisha Lee, and welcome back to another episode of Motivational Lee. As we continue our 48 Laws of Power series, we look at Law 14, pose as a friend, work as a spy. But before we get into that, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you are kept up to date each and every time I upload. And without further ado, let's get into this. Law 14 talks about knowing your rival and how important it is to do so. Also, using spies to gather information that can be very valuable to you and that will keep you a step ahead. Now, what it also says in the law is to actually play the spy yourself. Learn how to ask questions indirectly. You're just asking questions. It could be in passing conversations, but these questions are intentional because it helps you to get more information about the person and also reveal their weaknesses and strengths to you. Now, they'll be doing this just in normal conversation, and if you learn to ask the right kinds of questions, they won't even feel like it's an interrogation. They will just feel like it's a normal conversation. And I think this is where they mean by working as a spy, not making the person feel like they're being interrogated or they're being questioned for reasons that aren't right or for things that just, don't feel right to them. You need to make them feel comfortable, and by doing so, you need to pose your questions as a friend would, just in normal conversation, and just being more intentional in terms of asking these questions or phrasing them in a way where the person doesn't feel threatened and in fact they feel comfortable enough to actually tell you how they honestly feel. This is what that law is stating: to pose as a friend. Make the person feel comfortable around you so that they are able to talk to you freely without feeling a certain way, and they just let that information flow freely to you without them feeling interrogated or being questioned. So I hope that has given you a brief summary of Law 14, where you pose as a friend but work as a spy. In next week's video, we will be looking at Law 15, crush your enemy totally. But yes, people, that is it for this video. Make sure you hit the like button and hit the subscribe button down below. Please hit the notification bell so you are notified each and every time I upload. I hope you have a great week. Stay blessed, enjoy, and I will catch you in my next video. Dunno, boy.